Kapulang na. Ah, shit.
Hello,
Oh, hello, Mrs. Stella.
good evening.
Yes, I would like to really apologize because I had the wrong student that I was calling.
Okay,
So luckily,
okay,
yeah, luckily you sent me a message. I was calling the wrong student
okay.
while I was reviewing our topic. Okay, well, anyways, let's just extend our time to finish 50 minutes tonight, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay? So, anyways, how are you tonight?
Tonight, a little bit tired
Okay, why? Did you do lots of things today?
because uh, I do the uh, analysis for my experiment, but
Okay.
I cannot get a good result,
Okay.
so I need to find out the reason.
Okay. So you still think about a good outcome.
Yes,
Okay.
and think to how to design.
Okay. What's about the design
I need to uh, try new condition of my experiment.
of your experiment? Okay. So you will give it a try.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. So let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. So we will have
Um, page 8.
okay. Yes. So it's about the opinions. Sorry.
And the second opinions
Yes.
samples.
It's about Australian rules football.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, what is your opinion here?
My opinion is
Oh,
it's top.
yes.
Okay.
Please.
Should I read the paragraph first
Oh,
or
did you read this in advance?
I just read it just before the class?
Okay, now you can just, okay, please read it again just to check the words.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Australian rules football is a tough sport for tough men. Imagine the surprise this week when a player was sent off not for dangerous conduct, but
Okay.
for dangerous haircut. This
Yes.
happened to Asui Laws player Nathan Van Someren while playing for his team, Simpson, in the Australian state of Victoria. Umpire Don Whitten decided Mr. Van Someren spiked one Hardwick hairstyle could injure other players and so sent him off the field.
Okay.
Van Soveren expressed his disbelief at the decision, saying, "Before the game, the umpire said that I could not play with my hair like that. He told me it was dangerous."
Okay.
We all thought that he was joking.
Okay.
A few umpires have made jokes about my hair before. Even if someone has long hair, it could flick someone in the eye. Should they be made to cut their hair as well?
Okay. All right. So again, just be careful. Made, long A, right?
Okay, made,
Yes, made. And then here, joking. So that's Joe, joking.
joking,
Yes. And then you have lightened some words. Say sent off. That's right.
set, okay,
Conduct.
conduct,
And then spiked.
spite,
Yes. And then umpires.
umpires,
Yes. So it's just a one into. It only has one. The first syllable. Umpires.
umpires.
Yes, umpires. Okay. All right. Now your answer. Let's check.
Okay, uh, it's talking about a player who was forbidden from the football games because of his hairstyle.
Okay.
The judgment considered that some kinds of hair will injure the player. In my opinion, I think everyone has own decision to choose their style. Only in some workplaces are not appropriate to have hair dried.
Dried or died?
Dyed?
Died.
Hair dyed?
Yes. Okay. D-Y-E-D. Yes, that's right. Died. Okay, because I
Dyed.
heard it was like dried. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
dyed.
Okay. Good job. Yes. So let's just have simple corrections.
Okay,
Considers. So that's with S.
okay,
Considers. Okay. All right. Yes, I'll just put it here. Okay. Let's copy paste it so you can see the difference. So it's
okay,
talking about a player. Okay. So here you can say it talks about. Okay. It's better to say it
okay,
talks about a player who has or who was forbidden. Okay. Considers that some kinds of hair will injure the player. So in my opinion, I think, so that's just to capitalize I think everyone has, so you just need to put their pronoun, right? Their own decisions to choose their own style. So only in some workplaces which, okay, which are not appropriate to have hair dyed, okay? Hair dyed. All right?
Okay.
Yes, okay. Determiner. Okay, by the way, Miss Stella, there,
Yes.
yes, there is a determiner. Determiner, like this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there. Okay, it means determiner.
Okay. What's
Yes.
the determiner mean?
When you say determiner, you you describe about someone
Okay.
using third person, right? Third
Okay.
person, which is in plural form, so that is there. Okay,
Okay.
like they, this, those. So those, they are they are what we call determiner.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. Okay, because you're mentioning about people here.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So the complete thought of the sentence should have the word there as person, and then
Okay.
that's it. So it's better. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now, number 6.
Okay. First one. For me, hair is an accompaniment. Hair is jewelry. It's an accessory. Jill Scott, please provide me more your opinions about this expression.
Okay, about this expression. Okay, so Jill Scott is a girl,
Okay.
and then if you ask about accoutrement,
Accoutrement.
yes, accoutrement,
Accoutrement.
yes, it means like accessory.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
Accessory.
synonym. Yes, it means something you use, something you wear, something that is good to see, for example. Okay? Okay. In another way, um, it's a kind of additional item or equipment. So that's accoutrement. Okay? Accoutrement. Yes.
Accoutrement.
Yes. That a person use for particular activity. So,
Okay.
yeah, accoutrement means equipment, things, staff, or stuff. It can be tools, outfit. It can be accessories. Okay. Okay. So that's why here, accoutrement is the same as accessory. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So your answer here is
It's kind of accessory.
okay.
It presents persons characteristic and personal Personality.
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 Yes. Okay, so hair is kind of accessory. It presents person's character or characteristic and personality. Okay, so let's try to make your sentence better.
Okay.
Yeah, don't forget article A. Hair is a kind, right? A kind. Okay, don't forget article. A kind of accessory. Okay, instead of saying present, so you can say it represent.
Represent.
Yes, it represents persons. Okay, that's with S. It represents persons' characteristics. Okay, and personality. So let's erase comma. Now there is the better sentence. So you just need to put A, and then the word present should be represent or describes. You
Okay.
can also describes a person's characteristics and personality. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. So, how about you, Miss Stella? Which do you pay more attention? What you wear or how you do your hairstyle? Which is more important to you?
I think hair is more important for me.
Your hair. Okay. Why?
Yes. Because if my hair is messy,
Okay.
I will look more um, more lazy,
More.
or someone will think I'm a lazy person,
Okay.
or sloppy.
Sloppy. Okay.
So I think hair is more important than what I wear.
What you wear.
Yes.
Okay. So, it means that whatever you wear, how, and even if it's the most fashionable, beautiful, expensive, fabulous dress, but if your hair looks messy, frizzy, tangled, dry, like that, right?
Yes.
It won't make sense. It won't complete um, your appearance, your good appearance. Okay, so they say hair is women's shining glory.
Shine glory.
Yes, hair is women or women's shining glory. Okay, so when you say shining glory, that's how it makes you perfect to see. That's how it makes you beautiful to see. That's how it makes you fabulous, gorgeous to see because of your hair. So that's why your hair is your shining glory.
Okay.
Okay, that's what they say. In pageants and models say hair is women's shining glory. Okay,
Models.
yes, that's how they perfectly describe hair. Shining glory. It means if your hair looks good, it means it looks like a diamond.
Diamond.
Yes.
Okay.
So when you describe diamond, it's something that shines so bright, right? And
Yes.
it's kind of most of, expensive stone. So that's why
Okay.
whatever you wear, how gorgeous it is, how beautiful, expensive it is, if your hair doesn't look beautiful, then it's nothing. Okay? So
Okay.
that's why your hair is your shining glory. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. It's what you, or it's what, how, or it's how women become perfect to see because of hair. Okay? Okay. Now, number two, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, yes.
Uh,
Number two.
okay. I love the feeling of the fresh air on my face and the wind blowing through my hair. Evil Cannibal, please provide more your opinions about these expressions.
Okay.
Mm, mm, next, feeling.
When do you feel the fresh air on your face and the wind blowing through your hair? When do you feel that?
Mm, when I um,
Okay, you can put your answer if you feel comfortable. That's fine.
mm, exciting. Okay. When I'm riding a bike or on the highest building, I will feel the air fresh to my face and hair. This kind of feeling makes me feel relaxing.
More.
More? I need to type more.
Oh, no, no, no.
I,
Yeah, here, I thought you said more relaxing. Okay. So when I'm riding a bike or on the highest building, I will feel the air fresh to my face and hair. This kind of feeling makes me feel relaxing. Okay, so let's try to make your sentence better. The thought is good. Okay, so when I ride, okay, so it should be ride. When I ride a bike or or on the highest building. Okay, that's kind of confusing. So you can say or am I'm on. Okay, I'm on the highest building. Okay, I would I would feel okay. I would feel the freshness. Okay, the freshness of the air to my face and hair. Okay, this kind of feeling makes me relaxed instead, okay, because you use the word feeling and then feeling, so you can just make it verb relaxed. So this kind of feeling makes me relaxed instead of relaxing, okay, because feeling and then feel is redundant, so you can just use the word relaxed instead, okay. Okay, so that makes it better, okay. All right. However, the sentence or the example here is describing when your hair is in a good condition. All right, in a good or when you take care of your hair very well, that gives you the feeling of fresh air and wind blowing through your hair, which means you feel comfortable, you feel fresh, you feel you just took a bath. So when your hair is smooth and shiny, it's not oily, it's not, your hair is on its perfect condition, okay? So that gives the feeling of fresh air on your face and the wind blowing through your hair. Because when you feel oily, it follows your face to feel oily, right? And then it feels like, you want to take a bath again, like that. Okay, so that means when your hair is in the perfect condition, it gives you satisfaction, right? So that's how when we take good care of our hair. Okay? So it means that is the most comfortable feeling a woman, for example, could ever have or feel. Okay? Yes. Most comfortable or most satisfactional feeling. Okay. So that gives you your answer when it feels like when you ride a bike. Okay? Okay. Alright. Number 3. Yeah, satisfactional. Oh, yes. Satisfactional feeling. With L. Yes. Okay. Satisfactional feeling. Okay. Alright. Okay. Next. Number 3. Sorry.
It's how you look at beauty. It's only an outward appearance with hair and makeup and a hot body. Or is it something deeper than that?
Yes. So what's your opinion on this? So when you say outward,
Where is
it means from the
outside?
outside.
Okay.
It means external, outside appearance. Okay? Outermost, like that. So it is only an outside appearance with hair and makeup and a hot body. So what is your opinion here?
It depends on the beauty.
Okay. Yeah. More? Or that's it?
That's it. Okay. It means how to define the beauty. People always prefer good-looking people. The inner beauty is hard to find out at the beginning.
Okay. So it means how to define beauty. People always prefer good looking people. The inner beauty is hard to find out at the beginning. Okay. I like your sentence. I like your answer, but let's try to elaborate. Okay, your sentences are already good and they are correct. No corrections at all. Okay, it's just the thought. Okay, because it's kind of confusing. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so you can say it means that we usually look after the outside appearance, although we know that the good part is okay, I forgot my line. The good part is about their character and behavior, right?
Yes.
Like this. Okay? Sorry,
Okay.
it means yes. Okay, so this is a whole sense or the point of your sentences. It means how to define beauty. People always prefer, so it was kind of multiple sentences, but it only has one thought. So you can say it better this way. It means that we usually look after the outside appearance, although we know that the good part is about their character and behavior.
Okay.
Okay? So
Okay.
you can also say it's not about, or sorry, it's not about how they, it's not about how they're, oh, no, it's not about how they dress. It's about how they get along. All right, get along with people.
Okay.
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 All right. So it's about their attitude. It's about their attitude and behavior. Okay, character or attitude. So you can take character, attitude, and behavior. All right.
Okay. Can I ask how to make a complex sentence?
With
With because my sentence is short, but
okay,
your sentence is more complex.
more.
Compli- Complicated.
Okay. Okay. So what is your question?
How to combine two sentence or more sentence together in one sentence? How to is there have any rules to fix it, or is there have any rules to can help me?
Ah, okay. All right. So when it comes to expressing what we call multiple or complex sentence, all right? Multiple or complex sentence, right?
Yes.
Okay. First, try to try to focus on what you want to say, and then second,
Okay.
give examples or point out what's about your idea. Now, first here, I said it means that we usually look after the outside appearance, although blah blah blah, and then attitude and behavior. So I'm talking about the outside appearance here and the good part, right? So what
Yes.
are the good part? So we have character, attitude, and behavior, and then period. And then if you would like to add more, so this time you will give an example. So what example?
Okay.
It's so It's like it's not about how they dress, it's about how they get along with people. So this is actually not an example. This is another sentence to describe this.
Okay.
Okay. So in your sentence, what is missing, all right, is the thought.
The thought.
Yes, your sentence are right, but there's missing because it means how to define beauty, period. There's nothing more. What's about to define beauty? And then you said people always prefer good-looking people. And then there's nothing more again. Why? How? And then you said the inner beauty is hard to find out at the beginning. So your sentences are different examples of different opinions. That's why they don't connect to each other.
Okay.
Okay, so you must just learn how to connect. They should still have the same thought. Yes, that's right. The thought should be the same. Like my sentence. I was referring about outside appearance, good part, character, attitude, behavior. So, my next sentence is still related to my first sentence because it's about how they dress. It's not about how they dress, it's about how they get along with people. So, how they get along with people is character, attitude, and behavior. So, see, it's related, right?
Yes.
And then it's not about how they dress. It's related to what I said. We usually look after their outside appearance. So that's related to each other. Okay?
Okay.
So they should be related. So if we will make your sentence better and make it as one thought, okay, it means that on how we define beauty. Okay, it means that how on we define beauty. Okay, I guess this should be in the end of your sentence. Okay, in the end part. Okay, here, let's use this one. People always prefer good-looking people. And then you could use conjunctions. But the inner beauty is hard to find at the beginning. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. And then at the beginning has nothing to do with your sentence because this is what actually happens. So there is no beginning, there is no ending, right? So it's okay if you won't have specific, what do you say that? Specific time that you explain yourself. So it's fine not to use at the beginning. Okay. So but the inner beauty is hard to find when you look or when you notice or when you only pay attention to outside appearance. Okay. And that's how we usually define beauty. Okay, see now. First, you're talking about the people who always think and prefer good-looking people.
Okay.
What's negative about that? So you will use conjunction, but the inner beauty is hard to find or see. All right. So here it's better to say see because this is about appearance. So, okay, it's hard to see when you only pay attention to outside appearance And that's how we usually define beauty, which is right, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so that completes the thought. All right?
Okay.
Because, okay, well, actually, my sentence completes your sentence, Miss Stella. Okay, let's put your sentence here, and that makes it perfect. Reaction, right there. So people always prefer good looking, blah, 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 and that's what we usually define. Which means that we usually look after outside appearance, although we know that the good blah, blah, and then that completes the thought. See? Your sentence and my sentence were related to each other. So you just need to learn how to put the sequence. Okay, that's what we call sequence. So when you use sequence, it means what do you want to say about the question, and then what's positive and negative, and then give example, and then explain yourself. Okay? Okay, you tell something about the people, you tell something about inner beauty, and opposite, which is outside beauty, and then what's positive and negative things that we do on such answer. So that is how we usually define beauty. In reality, right? In reality, we look after the outside appearance rather than um, the outside appearance. Oh, sorry, rather than the inner beauty, which is the character and behavior. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So clear?
Clear.
Okay. So since our time is really up, alright, so it's your time to use what we learned on how you do the sentence right or paragraph on number 4 next time. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
So the beauty of having short hair is that I actually can wash and style it at home. Megan good. Okay. So remember, you can just directly use sentence.
Okay.
Yes. Directly use sentence like here. Number 3. You can. This is a direct example. So you don't have to say lots of words, right? So you can say people. Uh-oh. Ooh. Okay, people always look, or people are always after the outside and the outside appearance rather than seeing the inner part. Okay?
Okay.
So this is just a one sentence. This is just a sentence that tells a lot. It only depends on how you understand it,
Okay.
which means this: your answer and my answer. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay. So let's see how you will make yours next time, and I'm really excited because, of course, I always want to see improvements and changes to my students. So please
Okay.
don't be shy to ask anything. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And we will have number 7 listening, so please don't forget to listen to the MP3 or audio.
Okay.
Okay. And of course, we will have number 8 writing essay. So if you have more time, you can also answer why is it important to have beautiful hair. So apply what we learned here. Okay?
Okay.
I'm excited about that. But anyways, this is just what you need to improve, Mrs. Stella. You're always doing great about your thoughts, your answers, your sentences. You just need to learn how to do the sequence of your ideas to make them perfect. Okay?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
your sentences are already good. Your ideas are great. So I will just teach you more on that. All right? So
Okay.
that's why I'm excited.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, yes. And thank you to always. Have a safe night and have a good sleep, of course. Talk to you next time.
Okay. Thank you so much. See
Yes,
you.
always welcome. And yes, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.